October 30th, 2025, Daily Bread. Passage Joel, chapter 2, verse 18 to verse 32. Key verse 27, title. Then you will know that I am the Lord. Then the Lord was jealous for his land, and took pity on his people. The Lord replied to them, I am sending you grain, new wine, and olive oil, enough to satisfy you fully. Never again will I make you an object of scorn to the nations. I will drive the northern horde far from you, pushing it into a parched and barren land. Its eastern ranks will drown in the Dead Sea, and its western ranks in the Mediterranean Sea. And its stench will go up, its smell will rise. Surely he has done great things. Do not be afraid, land of Judah. Be glad and rejoice. Surely the Lord has done great things. Do not be afraid, you wild animals, for the pastures in the wilderness are becoming green. The trees are bearing their fruit. The fig tree and the vine yield their riches. Be glad, people of Zion, rejoice in the Lord your God. For he has given you the autumn rains because he is faithful. He sends you abundant showers, both autumn and spring rains as before. The threshing floors will be filled with grain. The vats will overflow with new wine and oil. I will repay you for the years the locusts have eaten, the great locust and the young locust, the other locusts, and the locust swarm. My great army that I sent among you. You will have plenty to eat until you are full, and you will praise the name of the Lord your God, who has worked wonders for you. Never again will my people be shamed. Then you will know that I am in Israel, that I am the Lord your God, and that there is no other. Never again will my people be shamed. And afterward I will pour out my Spirit on all people. Your sons and daughters will prophesy. Your old men will dream dreams. Your young men will see visions. Even on my servants, both men and women, I will pour out my Spirit in those days. I will show wonders in the heavens and on the earth, blood and fire and billows of smoke. The sun will be turned to darkness, and the moon to blood, before the coming of the great and dreadful day of the Lord. And everyone who calls on the name of the Lord will be saved. For on Mount Zion and in Jerusalem there will be deliverance, as the Lord has said, even among the survivors, whom the Lord calls. Daily Bread Message. Joel speaks here of God's mercy and restoration after a period of judgment. When God's people turn back to him, he relents from his punishment, and he forgives and restores all things. God, in his great love and compassion for his people, promises to reverse their suffering and bless them abundantly. God assures them that the land will be fruitful again, their enemies will be defeated, and they will no longer face shame. God is faithful, loving, and merciful to us when we repent our sin. Even after hardship, God provides renewal and hope. When God's people repent, he not only blesses and restores materially, but he also blesses and restores spiritually. Joel tells of a future outpouring of God's Spirit. He will pour out my Spirit on all people. This will signify a time of spiritual renewal and divine revelation. God's Spirit will be given to all people, leading to prophecy, dreams, and visions among both young and old. Joel also mentions signs in the heavens and on the earth, indicating a time of great change and divine intervention. Salvation is available to all who call on the name of the Lord. Prayer. Father, when we turn back to you, you forgive, and you restore all things. Thank you that you are our God. One word. Know that the Lord is God.